Okay, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will describe about the screen of workbook. Okay, Excel 2016 has a variety of options that can change how your workbook will be displayed. Okay. This view can be useful for a variety of tasks, especially if you plan to print a spreadsheet. To change the appearance of the worksheet, locate the command in the lower right corner of the Excel window. Okay, corner like this. Yes. And select normal view. This is normal view. This is page layouts view or page grid view. Okay, this is the normal view, is the default screen for all workbook when you doing some tasks in this Excel. Okay, if you click this one, page layout. Okay, wait. This is the screen of page layouts. To screen how the workbook will be shown when you print. Okay, if you want to print this page, this is the area will be print on the printer. This is the page layout. This is the size. If you want to size letter, tabloid or A4. Okay. If you want to print A4, so click this one. Okay, if you want to print this page, so this area will be print with A4 size. Okay, so you can see the header and footer like this if you want to add header, and this one if you want to add footer. Okay, like a word. Okay, and the last view of workbook is the page grid preview. Okay, this one is page grid preview. Okay, this is the area, the only one area you can change the page location. Okay, this is very happy when you print many data from Excel. Okay. This is the page grid view. Okay, preview. This name is view before print. Okay. This view is only the selection when the area will be printed by size of paper. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget subscribe this channel and activate the notification for more video. Thank you.